Check out this Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks 180 amp alternator Ram active air, tires, LT275/70R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, popular equipment group included, remote keyless entry carpet floor covering front and rear floor mats Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121. 1-year Sirius XM radio service, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs.